Hello, this is Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is Love Your Home 12-Week Challenge. The host is Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle. Today I'm tackling decluttering some of the kitchen, and my main focus is on my tablecloth, napkin, and table runner cabinet because I can't get it closed. But I am going to do some decluttering of other things in my kitchen as well. I'm working on filling this big box. First of all, I'm going to pass on these. Salt and pepper shaker. I have a ton of these little funnels. Nice, but I don't need that many. These I don't really use. Okay, I'm getting rid of this whole set of dishes and this container. Okay, the next thing in the box is this truck that's above my cabinet. Just time to say goodbye. Okay, this is the next thing that's gonna go. Okay, I'm getting rid of 3 tablecloths that I don't use anymore. 2 chair covers for Christmas, a pop container for my refrigerator, which I'm stopping drinking Mountain Dew. One of these containers, I got a good deal on a bunch of these. Now I have way too many. And one of these containers, that's all going to the Goodwill. If you're not going to use it, you might as well pass it along to somebody who will. And my box is overflowing. I'll let you see the overflow. It's a short video, but this is the box I've gathered to take to the Goodwill. Quite a bit for such a short video, I think. What do you think? Or did I just have a lot of big junk? Box of napkins, runners for your table, and tablecloth that I'm passing along that I don't need anymore. It may be 4 napkins to a set, and I only do a table for 2, so I'm going to pass it on to somebody else who just does a table for 2 to make this a blessing for them, and it'll upgrade some of their. We all get sick of our tablecloths if we do tablescapes like I do. And if you do tablescapes, you'll understand. Okay, this shelf was my main focus of today because I couldn't even shut the door. I put all my table runners up front. I have tablecloths in the back, which I can just slide these out. And these are all my napkins. And in the back there is all, which I can just slide this out, is all my sequin tablecloths. You know, Melissa, she does her tablecloths like her clothes. She buys the same thing in every color. And I also have some sequin table runners in here that are just small. And I can now shut my door. Looks like I can buy 2 more tablecloths. That's what that looks like. What do you think? Could I buy 2 more? I got a big space back there. Maybe 4. What do you think? Leave it in the comments. You think I could buy 4 more? Oh, and this thing's half empty, so I can buy a lot of napkins. Don't tell my husband.